Good day, grade 7 learners. This is Super Mom Z, and welcome to Sci Amazing Learning Videos. For Quarter 4, Earth and Space, the first topic we will explore involves locating places on Earth using coordinate system. Are you ready? Let's go! Most essential learning competency. The learners should be able to demonstrate how places on Earth may be located using a coordinate system. Where is the Philippines located? The Philippines is on Earth, of course. You might also say it is in Asia or it is near the equator, as what your Araling Panlipunan teacher taught you in the past. But where exactly is the Philippines? To answer this question, you have to learn a new skill: checking coordinates by determining a place's latitude and longitude. Imagine Earth as a globe. It has meridians and parallels, or a series of imaginary vertical and horizontal lines. These meridians and parallels help identify the exact location of places on Earth. Now take a look at the equator. It is a horizontal imaginary line at the middle. It measures 0 degrees latitude and divides the Earth into two hemispheres, the North and South hemispheres. Prime meridian, on the other hand, is a vertical imaginary line at the middle. It measures 0 degrees longitude and divides the Earth into two hemispheres, East and West hemispheres. Latitude runs from west to east direction. Latitudes are called parallels since they are parallel to the equator. They measure how far a place is from the equator if they are north or south of the equator. Total measurement of all lines of latitude is 180 degrees, 90 degrees north of equator and 90 degrees south of equator. 5 lines of latitude have special names. They are listed in the table. The latitude values have been rounded off to the nearest half degree. Countries that are located in the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn experience a tropical climate where the annual average temperature is above 18 degrees Celsius. Between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle is the Northern Temperate Zone. Between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle is the Southern Temperate Zone. Countries in these zones go through 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Finally, the areas within the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle are called the polar regions or frigid zones. People who choose to live in these areas have to deal with temperatures that never go above 10 degrees Celsius. To sum up, the closer the latitude is to the equator, the warmer the climate. The closer it is to the poles, the cooler. Thus, it is clear that there is a relationship between the latitude of a place and the climate it experiences.
Longitude, on the other hand, runs from north to south. They are called meridians. They measure how far a place is from the prime meridian, or if they are located in the east or west of the prime meridian.
Total measurement of all lines of longitude is 360 degrees, 180 degrees west of prime meridian and 180 degrees east of prime meridian. Are these imaginary lines clear to you? Nice! Now let's have an activity. It's activity time! Let's try locating places. Look at this first example. Try to locate this point on the map. To determine its latitude, it will help to use an actual map and a ruler. Lay the ruler horizontally on where the point is. Just look at the degree on the right or left side. What is the degree? Correct, it is 30 degrees. Since it is north of the equator, we write north. So the latitude is 30 degrees north. Did you get it? Good job! Let's proceed with the longitude. The longitude is a bit tricky since it is curved. Here, it lies on 30 degrees, right? Is it west or east of the prime meridian? Correct, it is west. So, it is 30 degrees west. Now I think you're ready to locate our country. Where is the Philippines located? Approximate values will do. The exact coordinates are as follows. Its latitude is 12.8797 degrees north, while its longitude is 121.7740 degrees east. Were your approximate answers close to these figures? Yay! Using latitude and longitude is not the only way that you can describe the location of a certain area. Another way is by identifying the land masses and bodies of water that are found in that area. So what are the land masses and bodies of water that surround the Philippines? There's Taiwan, Vietnam, and Brunei. The Philippine archipelago is bounded by the Philippine Sea to the east, the Celebes Sea to the south, the Sulu Sea to the southwest, and the West Philippine Sea to the west and north. Now, to check if you really understand the lesson, let us evaluate your learning. It's evaluation time! What is this imaginary horizontal line that measures 0 degrees latitude? You got it! We call it the equator. Next, differentiate latitude and longitude. On point. Latitude runs from west to east, while longitude runs from north to south. Latitudes are also called parallels and measure how far a place is from the equator, while longitudes are meridians and measure how far a place is from the prime meridian. Let's continue. Try to locate Madagascar. What are its coordinates? Time's up! Its latitude is approximately 90 degrees south and its longitude is approximately 47 degrees east. Good work for today, learners! And that's all for our lesson today on locating places on Earth using coordinate system. Thank you for watching this amazing episode. See you again next time. Bye!